In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of sewing a dog poop bag dispenser that you can attach to your leash, purse or keychain. Let's start by cutting the 7 fabric pieces you need. 2 rectangles of 5.5 inches by 4 3/4 inches, 4 rectangles of 5.5 inches by 2 3/8 inches, and 1 little rectangle of 2 inches by 2 inches. Now mark 4 1-inch squares in each corner of the 2 larger pieces. And then 2 1-inch squares in the bottom corners of the 4 smaller fabric pieces. Cut all the marked squares away with your fabric scissors. Grab the 4 small pieces and pin one long end onto the zipper tape. And pin another piece on the back side, both right sides facing the zipper. Now sew these 3 layers together with the zipper foot and stitch close to the zipper coil. What it should look like now. And now repeat the same thing on the other zipper tape. So pinning the 2 pieces, one on each side, and then stitching them onto that tape. Iron the seams flat and top stitch close to the zipper. And then this is what it should look like when top stitching is done. Then we can now go over to making the little zipper tab. Fold the 2 edges inward and the fabric piece in half, then press and top stitch the 2 edges. Make sure it fits your swivel. For the back side, fold the larger pieces in half, press them and mark the center. Now mark 1/2 inch from that center on both sides. This will be the opening through which the bags will be dispensed. Place both pieces on top of each other, right sides facing. Stitch on the fold line without stitching the opening. Fold the wrong side of each fabric piece toward each other and iron the seam. Pin the little loop with swivel onto the zipper tape and add a stitching on the edge. Place the 2 sewn pieces on top of each other and sew the 4 long edges. Now cut the zipper tape and the piece of the loop that sticks out off and finish the edges with pinking shears. Now all that is left is making the boxed corners of the pouch. So you have to pinch the corners together perpendicular to the side seam. And then sew these 4 seams closed and finish them with pinking shears. Turn the bag right side out. And there you have it. Your little poop bag holder is ready. Just open the zipper to install the little roll of bags and pull the first bag through the opening. And that's how you can easily access your little bags for your dog. Go to the Madame Sew Sewing and Quilting blog for more details, a full description with pictures and everything you need.